Hi friends, welcome to Pixel Art 3D. Today we are discuss about 2D shapes in Paint 3D. Select the single line. We can extend or shorten the line. We can adjust the color, opacity and thickness. Also we can rotate, flip, make mirror image, copy in 3D image. Next select the 3-point curve. We can change shape and size by pressing on 3 points. Like single line we can change color, thickness and opacity. We can rotate, flip, make mirror image and copy. Once you finish the modification, press apply. We cannot do any modification after pressing apply. We can erase any part by using eraser from brushes icon. Now select the 4-point curve. We can adjust the color, opacity and thickness. Also we can rotate, flip, make mirror image, copy in 3D image. Next select the 5-point curve. We can adjust the color, opacity and thickness. Also we can rotate, flip, make mirror image and 3D image. There are additional 2D shapes below line and curves like circle, star, cross, check mark, lightning bolt and heart. We can fill color in 2D shapes. We can change color, thickness and opacity. We can rotate, flip, make mirror image and 3D image. These 2D shapes have many applications. We can explore them in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.